Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So in this video, we have this question where we need to find the area of shaded region, right? What we are given? We have a square, right? We are given a square and we are given a circle inscribed in the square. So circle is inscribed inside the circle, right? Inside the square. So, and they're telling us that this diagonal is 10 under root 2. We need to find the area of this region, this shaded region, the black one. Okay, if we observe it, we have four regions here like this one, this one, this one, and this one, right? These are four. One, two, three, four. And area of all four regions will be equal, right? So if I find, what do I do? If I find out the area of this square first, and then I subtract area of this circle, right? And then I will get the area of these four regions. So what will I do? Because since I need to find only the area of this shaded region, this one. So what will I do? I will divide the total the area by 4, right? So okay, let us proceed by finding area of square. For that we need to know the side, right? So we know that this is right angle since it is a square. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem that x square plus x square is equal to 10 under root 2 whole square, which will give us 2x square is equal to 100 times 2. This 2 and 2 will cancel out. X square is equal to 100. X will be equal to 10 since the side cannot be negative, right? So x is 10. So when you have x here, this x is what? I will now write it 10. If x is 10, so then you have area of, here I will write area of square is equal to 100. Whatever is the unit, I'm not mentioning that 100 centimeter square or meter square, okay? So now we come to area of circle. For that I need to know the radius of circle, right? Now since this is 10, so that means this is also 10. This diameter is 10. That means the radius is 5, right? So what will I do? I will find area of circle. What is area of circle? Pi r square. Pi times 5 square, that is 25 pi, right? So now I will find the area of square minus area of circle. I get 100 minus 25 pi. If I take 25 common, this will be equal to 4 minus pi, right? So this is the area of this total thing. All these four regions, whatever is left. But since I need to find area of only this region, so what will I required area? Required area is equal to 25, 4 minus 5 and divided by 4. This is the answer. You just need to substitute the value of pi, that is equal to what? 3.14 and divide by 4, and which we can solve on calculator. So comment your answer, what do you get here, and if you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.